Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals. I saw this YouTuber, Nina's Ideas, make a apron using denim shorts, denim pants. So I decided to do that. I did add my own spin to it, but I shout out to Nina's Ideas on YouTube. You cut the waistband off just to each side to make the tie back of the apron. Now cut the back of the denims right under each pocket. And wow, you now have an apron. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to put a bib on it. So I cut the half back of another pair of jeans to make a bib. So, and all of this is glue gun. This is a no-sew effort. So I'm loving it. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so if you would subscribe, that would help me with that greatly. We have a Tuesday live subscriber chat that I also invite you to come and check out what other creators are making, how we make money in our business. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.